good afternoon. So, we are here now at IKEA kasi graduation ng kapatid ko and bawal kami pumasok sa loob. So,
Pero mga ganda na yun.
here at after 3, we ordered matcha. Soar Init. Move here at Moa Sky. Moa Sky. It is Moa Sky Garden. Hi everyone, we are here at IKEA. We're waiting for Jillian and that. Si graduation ni Jillian. Or graduation ng PCU ngayon sa SMX. So, dito lang kami nagpapalipas ng oras sa IKEA kasi may charging station. Actually, dun talaga yung charging station sa taas. Pero since may nakita kaming charging station dito sa lunch area, dito na kami nag-charge and actually okay yung ambience dito. At the same time, hindi mainit. So, yeah. I'll see you later. By the way, yung top ko pala, etong top na to. Nabili ko lang siya sa ukay for only 50 or 35 pesos last week.